How to make $300 a week and how to avoid mistakes in online dropshipping selling, Part 2. Working online. Common mistakes to avoid when adopting dropshipping. 1. Choosing suppliers. Prioritizing low prices and not making sure that the supplier offers quality service is a common mistake and can cause a lot of losses. Forming a partnership with reduced costs doesn't work if items are shipped late or if there is no inventory control. The customer is not worried if the problem comes from a third-party company and not your store. In issues like this, your brand image is damaged and you lose credibility. In addition to choosing a reliable supplier, avoid depending on just one, so you are prepared in the event of any unforeseen event. 2. Having many products and from different niches, as you won't have to deal with inventory. It's tempting to create a store with a huge variety of products that cover different market niches. However, this is a tactic that tends to make it difficult for your company to stand out. Being seen as a reference in an area helps you win over and retain a specific audience, while a generalized store faces much greater competition. Always ask yourself how to differentiate yourself and why someone would choose your store over the countless others available. By focusing on a specific niche, it is possible to offer the best solutions to your customers. 3. Freight calculation. One of the determining factors for online shopping is the shipping price, so it is important to ensure that the value passed on to the end consumer is as competitive as possible. Before entering into a partnership with a supplier, review all the products that you will make available in your store, specifying mainly the weight and whether they will be imported. Both the weight and the origin of the product are the items that can make shipping more expensive, the first due to packaging and difficult logistics, and the second due to the fees involved in an international delivery process. Talk to your potential partners and understand what their procedure is like, especially for the cases mentioned above, always seeking to improve the competitiveness of your shipping price, correctly calculating the value without causing harm to the company or discouraging the purchase by the customer. Client. 4. Communication failures. Just because shipping isn't your responsibility doesn't mean that part should be left out of communication. It is essential to have an easily accessible channel for customers to get in touch. It can be an email, phone number, form, chat, or even a corporate WhatsApp number. Consumers need to have a reliable way to ask questions or resolve problems related to purchases. Thank you, guys.